Bonjour. Today we are looking at how do we tell time in French. Okay, so some expressions that we use. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Again, when you're a beginner, there are some sentences that you don't try to analyze. It is frustrating sometimes, but you need to just memorize the sounds. Quelle heure est-il? You have 4 sounds to make. Quelle heure est-il? Okay? And even if you don't recognize each one of them, you will recognize the intonation. Quelle heure est-il? And you will know what the people are asking you. Okay, so that's the question that you ask to know the time. Quelle heure est-il? Okay. So, il est 1h. Okay, so that's a little review on an analog clock. I love to do that because it's important to still be able to read them, even if, well, they make that come back regularly because they are so pretty. I think they are. So the short needle, la petite aiguille, will point to the hour, and the tall one, the long one, will point to the minutes. Okay? So here you have 1h. Il est 1h. Il est 1h. You can do the liaison or not between est and une. It's your decision. It's not you don't have to do this one. But heure, being feminine, you will say il est 1h. Il est 1h. Okay? Il est 2h. And here you have a liaison that you need to do. Remember that X or S will do the liaison as a Z sound. And you put the S that you don't pronounce because that's not part of the... Careful? No, that's not careful. That's something else. Can't remember. But the list of consonants that we do pronounce. Okay? Donc, il est 2h. Il est 7h. 7h. And remember that we don't pronounce that P. 7h. We have the liaison. 7h. If it's at night, il est minuit. Il est minuit. If it's during the day, il est midi. Il est midi. Okay. Il est 6h15. Okay. Il est 6h05, 6h10, 6h15, 6h20, 6h25, 6h30. Là, il est 9h30. 9h30. Then, for all this part, you can see that your little needle, your short one, is already between 9 and 10. So when we say the time, we will start by 10 and we will remove. Okay, sorry, I didn't put that. We will remove the minutes. Okay? So here it's between 4 and 5. So il est 5h moins le quart. 5h moins le quart. 5h moins 5, moins 10, moins le quart, moins 20, moins 25. Okay. Another one. Il est 2h05. 2h05, 2h10, 2h20, 2h25, 3h, moins 25, 3 heures moins 20, 3 heures moins 10, 3 heures moins 5. Ok? Donc, AM, ce sera du matin, et PM, de l'après-midi jusqu'à environ 18 heures, et du soir, à partir de 18 heures, de l'après-midi ou du soir. Donc on va dire, il est 9 heures du matin, il est 4 heures de l'après-midi, il est 9 heures du soir. Okay, that's it. Use this as a little guide to review the time. Have a good day. See you for another lesson.